Hey guys, this is CD. Today we're going to see the lead code problem 920 number of music playlists. First, I'll explain you the question. Your music player contains n different songs, the total number of songs, and you want to listen to goal songs, which is actually the length of the playlist. And you'll be creating that playlist with two conditions. The first condition is every song is played at least once, and the second condition is a song can only be played again only if k other songs have been played, which is the condition for the repetition. I'll show you with the example. In example 2, you can see the total number of songs is 2 and the size of the playlist is 3, where you will meet with the condition that you will be repeating a song. Okay, and k is equal to 0, which shows that you can repeat the song after the song is played, like after one again the same song is played. And in third example you can see the same set of songs and the same goal, but k is equal to 1, which shows that you have to repeat the song after you are playing a different song. Like after you're playing one, you will be playing the second song and again will be repeating it. So I guess you understood the purpose of K here. And now we'll get into the solution. For this, I'll be using dynamic programming. And first, I'll create a long array, because as the problem goes, there will be we'll be using a lot of values, and to make it more sufficient, I'll be using long n plus 1. N plus 1 is because initially I'll be having an empty playlist, so that we'll be increasing the size of the array by 1, so it is n plus 1. Okay, and I'll be using for loops, two for loops, one for iterating the goal, which is a playlist, and second for the distinct songs. Okay, for iterating the songs, I'll be iterating in reverse order. I'll explain you. Okay. Okay, I'll tell why we are using reverse order. When we iterate forward, there will be a condition where we can update the current already updated one. We'll be updating it. Okay, I'll actually show you with a formula, which we'll be using now. Okay. I'll be explaining you part by part so that you can explain. Okay, you can understand it. Here, dp of j minus 1, the first term is actually representing the number of ways to pick a new song, and we are giving j minus 1 because that is the song in the jth position, but it is not played yet. It is not played before. So I am giving j minus 1, and n minus j plus 1 represent the number of available songs to choose. Okay, and now I'll be again using J. People who already worked with dynamic programming may know this thing, but still I'll explain it. Okay. The second term represents the number of way to repeat a song for the jth position, considering the constraint k. Okay. The sum of two represent the total number of possible playlists for the current length and distinct songs. Okay. But when we are iterating and substituting values in this, uh, where we can see that values will be very long. That is the reason why I initially used long, but still we'll be using modulo, so that we don't meet the condition overflow. So I'll be using modulo. Okay. Okay, I'll tell uh, why I iterated in reverse order. Okay, you can see when we iterate in forward order, dp of I and j, where we'll be using j minus 1 because it is not played it. It doesn't consider the constraint. The song can be only repeated. Like it will not take consideration the k. Okay, so I'll be using a reverse order where you can see that it ensures that the k is met. Okay, so I'll be iterating in reverse order, and also you have to make it dp of 0 0, because after each outer loop iteration it ensures that the empty playlist is not counted. Okay, so we'll be making dp of 0 to 0 after each iteration, and finally you will be returning the array in integer form. Yeah. Where I made wrong. Yeah, you'll be iterating it with 1 actually. You'll be starting with 1. I guess now it works. Yeah. Hope you guys understood. If you find any difficulties, please reach me out in the comment section. Thank you.